Today I'm going to show you what's inside my saddlebags and what I carry on a daily basis when I ride. So the first thing I carry is a duster, rain jacket. This is just a canvas, waxed canvas duster. Left side, driver's side. Always carry a water bottle, a hay sack. Most of the time I'm leading crash. Hole punch for leather. Kind of good stuff. Leatherman pliers. You can use Leathermans for a lot of different stuff. A lighter. And one of these clips for highlining your mule or horse. That's my left side. On my right side, these are Colorado saddlery bags. I got an old throwaway pistol here in case I forget the one on my hip. Always carry leather gloves with me. Never know when you might need them. As much as I'm in the woods, if I see something that I want to video or put a game camera on, I always carry a game camera with me. And I always carry a sack of 22 bullets down there. Another thing I always carry is square bale twine. This is plastic, so it won't rot. And you can use it for a lot of things. So Kate has to relieve herself. Got everything else I need in my pockets or on my hip. So the most important thing I think to carry in your pocket is a good pocket knife. This is a Case Sod Buster. It's got the chrome vanadium blade on it, so it will rust. I patina it, that way it won't rust, and it holds a better edge than the stainless steel. The other thing is a lighter. I always carry a lighter in my pocket, whether I need to stop and smoke or build a fire. Most times build a fire. The other thing is chapstick. I always carry chapstick. I always have. The worst thing is having chapped lips or a chapped butt, so you can use it on both. Another thing I always carry is a handkerchief or a wild rag. This is a small handkerchief because it's summertime. It fits in my back pocket easy, and you can wipe your face. If you break your arm, you can tie it up in a sling. You can use it as a tourniquet. If you get cut, you can use it for a lot of different stuff. The most important, besides the knife, that I always carry is a pistol. Where I ride, there's a lot of bear and some mountain lions, coyotes, anything. Something can always go wrong, so you always need a pistol. I think every man should have a gun either on him or arm's reach. This is a Smith & Wesson M&P 9. I put this gun absolutely through the ringer, and I don't ever clean it, but it always fires, and that's why I spend a little extra money on it and got a good one. It doesn't help if it's not loaded, so that's why I always keep one in the pipe. So that's what I carry on me and in my bags. Y'all let me know what you carry on y'all.